Hello people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop spam messages on Android. So go for your phone app first, then tap on here three dot option, tap on settings, now go for block numbers and you have to turn on this unknown slider on, and you can add number specifically here, add number here and tap on block. After that you can block calls or spam text from here. Another way, go for your message option, then select a particular message you want to block, then tap on here in this three dot option and go for block and spam. After that just tap on OK, and now you can block all the spam messages from this particular number. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can stop spam text messages on Android. If you found this video helpful guys, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.